If you're anything like me, you like surprises, and so do small businesses. Now you see with the onemovement.com paper plate project, small businesses have no idea what you're about to give. And this is how it works. I'd like you to take a paper plate. It could be a paper plate you have left over from your last picnic. I'd like you to fill out or write out onemovement.com in big bold letters, and then on the back put a little nice note to them. Here I put wishing you the best in business and in life, and then I signed it. Now when you go up to your favorite small business, give it to them. Give them the paper plate and let them know that there is a growing movement of people that are looking to make purchases each month as small businesses displaying a paper plate. They probably won't get it the first time you share it with them, and if they do, it might be worthwhile to capture their expression when you share it with them. Anyway, fill it out, sign it, give it to them. Before you know it, we're going to be seeing onemovement.com paper plates all over the country, all over the community, and all around the world. And the reason why that's very cool for you is because from now on, when you see this onemovement.com paper plate display, it's telling you that that small business supports you. It supports One Movement, and it supports the community. When you show them your paper plate, whether it's a real paper plate or one on your phone, that small business is going to kick you down with some kind of cool surprise, a bonus, or an added incentive just for playing the game. That's it. You win, the small business wins, and the community they serve wins, or it does the best good. Sound cool? There's nothing else to it, no strings attached, and it's 100% free. Let's change the way small business can do business outside of the costly, competitive, and increasingly crowded marketplace forever. It benefits us all. Alright, thanks for taking a moment to watch this quick video, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.